What's going on, wonderful piano enthusiasts? Jim here from Grassroots Piano, and today we're going to be working on primary triads and crossing the chords over the hand. We're going to play them blocked and broken. We're going to go into C major and also G major. So in the key of C, we don't have any sharps or flats. We are going to play the root, and then the major. The next major chord is the F chord. You go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and those are your notes, F, A, C. And then we're going to go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, G. So those are the notes you got to know. We got C, that's the major chord, and then the next primary triad in the key of C major is F, and then in G. And I have other videos. If this is too daunting, no worries, just reach out. So let's go ahead and start with block chords, and we're going to play it in 3/4 times, so it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Now we're going to play it broken. 1. Quarter notes. And now we're going to go to the 4 chord. 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3. This is a good warm-up to get different hand placement positions. And now to the 5 chord. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. And then back to C. 1, 2, 3, 3. Let's try G, excuse me, yeah, we'll try G, but beforehand, if you're liking my lessons, my content, it would mean the world to me if you could hit the like button. Thank you very much. So in the key of G, we have 1 sharp. And if you noticed, this is a new scale for you. I have these scales on my channel. I might redo them and make them a little more efficient. But if you notice, we have an F sharp in that scale. So our 1 chord is this note, these notes G, B, and D, and then we're going to go up 4, C, and then the 5 is D, F sharp, A. F sharp, you can think of it this way, F sharp, because in the key of G, like I said, we have F sharp. I could get into some theory, but this is more just a quick check-in. Hello, hope you're having a good weekend, playing some chords and stuff. So in the key of G, you can start, by the way, in my last exercise, I started middle C here. And here I'm just going to go down a little bit, but you can start anywhere on the keyboard so you can orientate yourself where you are placed. So you can get out of just the penta scale positions, okay? So in G major, we'll play it blocked. Well, I'll use the metronome so you don't have to hear my voice. That is a little quick, but 151 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Going to the 4. Going to the 5. Fun creating this quick exercise, and if you want more, just let me know. Definitely take it slow. If this is too much, just work one thing at a time. Just work on the 1 chord into the 4 chord. Improvement is measured in small increments, and all of you deserve that. You deserve to learn correctly. Remember, if you decide to take shortcuts, you'll have short gains and you won't learn long term and grow stronger and all that good stuff. Bye for now. Take care. So the bigger the shortcuts you make, the bigger the shortcuts, how do I want to say that? And just remember, the bigger the shortcuts you make, then the... Just remember, the longer